Hello everyone, welcome to MilonAI and web application where you can use AI in collaboration with your team. So I am Alamin Khan Shakil with you. Let's see how does it work. So here are some simple instruction on the landing page. I will show it all to you step by step. So let's get started or start collaborating for free. Then you put your name, your email, your password and confirm password. Then you sign in and it will create an account for you, but I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. And to log in I give my email and the password. This is my demo account. Okay, now it takes me to this dashboard page. Now in my dashboard page I can see my chats. The chats are created by me, and the chats shared with me through my email, and the chat I joined through public link. So let's create a new chat and let's name it JavaScript talks. Okay, now I can ask anything like tell me about JavaScript data types. Now if I send it, so this part is like any other AI chat applications, but the specialty of this one, of this MilonAI, is now I can share this with other users, with my teammates through email or by generating public links. So let's try out using email. So let's add. Okay, so it was successfully shared. Let's add another person. Now shared with John Wick 2. Now if I now this John Wick and Jack is already logged in other browsers. So if I go there, so for John Wick don't have any chat created by himself, but this one JavaScript that we just shared is there for him, and he can also see the chats right now, and he can see the message prompt is provided by John Doe, and the response was for John Doe. Now he can also send a prompt, and same for the Jack, and now he can also type any message. So tell me about JavaScript array methods. Tell me, and you can see when Jack is typing, others can see that Jack is typing. Okay, now all the responses are there for all other users. Okay, now there is another specialty of this app, that is we can select a specific group of messages as the context of our new prompt. So now if John Wick wants to like select John Doe and his John Doe's prompt and his response and the response created for him, and he can ask any question based on this selected response or context. Explain non-primitive in easy words, and if he sends the message, everyone can now see the same message, and also anyone can select this one as a context. Okay, John Wick, let's break down non-primitive data type in JavaScript, specifically focusing on the object, thinking of this way. Okay, so like we can choose the context. Okay, that what context we want to send, based like what context we want to send with our prompt. In that way we can make the AI response more focused on specific topics or any specific part of a topic. Okay, now there is another feature. This is like when you want to work with your team, but you can also like create a chat session for public. Okay, in that case anyone with the link of the public link can join the chat. So let's create a new chat, maybe Word or World War II. Now create. Now we can generate public link and copy this link. Now anyone who have this link, go to their browser tab and paste the link over there, and they can directly visit to that chat. So now you can see World War II, and it's created by John Wick. So let's, John Wick is asking some question. Now both user can see the response, and if there is more multiple user, everyone will be able to see the response, and they will be able to ask a specific question about a specific context. Suppose let's do something. So let's get a joke about World War II. Okay, I got the joke. Now suppose John Wick is not interested in this one, to making any questions, but he want to know more about this one. So now he can like select this one as a context to his prompt, and he can make it more specific like we showed it before. Tell me more about this. The prompt will be more focused based on that context. So with these features, you and your team will be able to use AI collaboratively in a chat session, and that will let you and your team see a problem for different angles and ask different questions to AI to make the answer more specific and find out the solution faster. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye.